In this video, I will share my personal experience to help you determine the best option for WordPress hosting. With over 6 years of experience, I am building the website for my clients from all over the world. So I have gained a valuable insight into which hosting provider offer best optimal performance plus reliability and support. On the top, I have put the Hostinger. Let me just share my screen and show you the result. Why I give you advice to purchase the hosting with the Hostinger. If you are making a plan to build a website. So let me just share my screen and show you something, and really you will love that, and you will really love this video because I'm going to give you the best advice to go on which hosting to buy the hosting for your website. Few months ago, a client came to me on the Fiverr and he asked me to build a website about the basketball academy. You can, on the top, I have already the access of this website, so I can show you the real example. Okay, so he asked me to from where he has to purchase the hosting. So I just sent him the link to go with the Hostinger because I knew that hosting is really so amazing. So I built a website, and it is very simple website. You can see totally simple, and we did a little SEO. He just gave me some text about his website, and then I just did SEO with the rank math. Okay, so what actually the hosting did, as I told you, the hosting is very amazing. It optimizes your website automatically from the server, and Google loves the fast website. So let me just share something. So if I go to the private mode here and I'm writing here Basketball Academy in Bristol, and here we go on the top. If you're going to scroll down here, you can see his website is coming on the top of the Google search engine. What we have done, we created a simple website with simple SEO, and then you see the magic. His website on the top of the Google search engine with this keyword. And then if we're going to remove this Basketball Academy, even though, okay, we just copy this one and remove that, and we come here and write this one, and we say Bristol Basketball Academy. Then we're going to click on search, and again, can you see his website is also on the top of this keyword, and this is the national team website of the UK, but it comes the next of this website. You know why it happens? Because of the hosting. Hosting matters a lot. If you have the good hosting, they have the good server, they help to boost the website with the optimization. Okay, so as I told you before, the server, they optimize our website automatically. Let me show you the website speed. If you maybe you're going to think our website speed is really very amazing, but website speed is very normal. Let me show you. But all magic of this is the hosting, and then we created a simple website with the simple SEO. Here we go. Let me show you. We go the page inside. Page inside. So in the page inside, we're going to measure the speed of the website. We have done nothing. We have installed no any plugin to optimize our website speed, or we have did actually nothing. Just we bought a website from the Hostinger, then we built a simple website, and we did a SEO with the rank math plugin, and all this I have done myself for my client. So let me show you. Here we go. Let me to just copy the website URL from here. Okay, I just copied, and then I came here and I just paste here and click on the analyze, and now you will see the result. Maybe it is 50 or something, the performance speed on the mobile. Okay, and on the desktop maybe 93 or something like that. You can imagine that website is not uh, has the big performance score on page insight, but it is still coming on the top of the Google search engine. You know why? It is just because of the hosting. So that's why hosting matters a lot. So here we go. Can you see this one? The performance is 62 and best perfect and SEO 89. You can see the performance is not 99, 95. Maybe you have seen many other videos where they show you how to increase your website speed from 50 to 90 or something like that. It does not matter. But if you wisely choose a good hosting and then you build a simple website, then your website going to be top of the Google search engine, and then you will get the traffic. And this my client is very happy. He has now 700 children in his academy. Really, I love that. Amazing. So we go to the again the desktop. So here we have the 95 performance. It's really amazing, very nice. It is. We have not add any other plugin to optimize the performance. It's all done by default from the hostinger. And I will suggest you, if you want to purchase the hosting, go with the hostinger. And I'm going to give you the link below in my description, in my comment. So if you're going to purchase the hosting from the hostinger through my link, you will not pay the more, but I will get some commission. So it helped me to build the more videos, so I can give you the good advice to purchase which hosting when you're going to compare the hosting. And I just want to show you another thing as well. The same result for another website I built for him. This was the Sudan Basketball Academy. Sudan Basketball Academy. If you're going to search Sudan Basketball Academy, and then here we go. Again, you will see the result. His website is on the top. This website is also a very simple website. Okay, maybe there is my internet is also slow, so it takes some time to be loaded. Okay, here we go. So this website is Sudan Basket Academy, and this is also generating the more revenue, the more students comes to fill the form of the contact and goes to him, and really his business is just running, and we have now good contact with this client, and we have created also e-commerce website for him. So I scroll down here. So this is also a simple website, and this time we also purchased the same hosting from the hostinger. It's really amazing. And this was the first. I will recommend you the first top one is the hostinger. Go with the hostinger if you want to purchase the hosting. And the second one, honestly, I just want to give you the review. And the second with the hostinger. That was first was the hostinger, then second is the HostGator. HostGator is also amazing. I built a website for my client. His website name is Talking Plates. Here we go. If you're going to search this term, you will see this website on the top. Here you go. So this is the blog website, and Talking Plates, and his website comes on the top as well. And he just came to Fiverr. This client find me on the Fiverr. Actually, this client found me on the Fiverr and then messaged me, and she asked me to I want to build a blog website. So she asked me from where she need to purchase the hosting. So I just gave him my affiliate link. I told her honestly that this is the affiliate link. I will get some commission, nothing else, but you will get the very amazing the hosting. So she trusted me, and then she purchased, and now you can see his website is just ranking on the top with this keyword. So this was really honest review. And if you want to go, if you considering the best hosting in 2024, I will suggest you go with the hostinger and the HostGator. And I am also giving the link below in my comment. So if you can go with my link, so I will get some commission. And if you want to, if you don't go with my affiliate link, no worries. You can simply go to the here, write the hostinger here, and then you have to click on maybe hostinger here, this one. So you can purchase the hosting from them. Simple. If you will go through my link, I will get some commission. And if you will not go with my link, then you have to write the hostinger on the search engine, so you will find this website. And this is really so amazing. And second was the HostGator. 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 This one. Maybe we need to write only HostGator. There you go, on the top. Okay, so you can purchase the I will recommend go with, if you have the one website plan, you go with the hashing plan. Totally amazing. These two are so doing very great job. And thank you so much for watching this video, and share and like with your friends. So if someone is going to consider the hosting, so they can make a good decision with the hosting. And that's it. And if you go with my link, I will get some commission. That's all. Bye bye. Take care. Subscribe my channel and give the likes. So whenever I'm going to upload a new video, you're going to get notification. Bye bye for now.